Tired of flat, lifeless charcoal drawings? Learn the secret to adding depth and dimension with layering. Let's learn this using a simple yet beautiful hair study that will break this complex topic into simple process. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As we want to clear this topic with the simple hair study, so we are going to create a hairband. I am already done with the outlines of it. I have used a graphite pencil. Remember, I told you in my very first video that charcoal is difficult to erase. So don't do this mistake. Don't use charcoal to do the outlines. If you don't remember it, it's okay. I'm here. I'll share the link in the description box. Make sure to check it. Once you are done with your outlines, make sure to remove the excess graphite using kneaded eraser, as charcoal doesn't work on graphite as well. Let's start with the layering process. First layer with a hard pencil, as it's the lightest grade. Once when you are done with the first layer, make sure to blend it to smoothen out the surface. Let's move ahead. Now we are going to add the second layer, which is with neutral charcoal pencil. It's a medium grade of charcoal. Your strokes should be curvy, which means your stroke should follow the direction and should not have any edges. Try not to enter the highlighted zone. When you are done with your second layer, make sure to blend it. Let some of your hair strokes go in the highlighted zone as well. Later on, when you are done with your second layer, add a layer of soft charcoal powder, just to add some depth in the hair study. I hope you are able to understand the importance of layering in your portrait. To give the 3D and realistic look to a portrait, you have to put layers. At start, the portrait may look dull, but after doing the layering process, the result will blow you out. Now it's time to add the last layer, which is with soft charcoal pencil. When you are done with the third layer, blend it as well. After putting every single layer, you have to blend it. Now, we have to add the last layer, which is white hairs, because our hair are not all black. Some hairs are highlighted as well. To sharpen your eraser, you have to put it on 90 degrees and rub it. If not, then you can simply cut it. Look at the effect that white hairs are giving. Now, using a hard charcoal pencil, add some flyaways. Now it's time to shade the shoulders. If you want a shading tutorial, tell me in the comment box. Here is the final result. Some of the hair studies I have created using the similar process. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more basic content like this.